everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, so I would like to tell you that I am Archana, an English learner. I practice here of my spoken English to improve my conversation skill. If you are also an English learner, so don't forget to watch this video till the end because at the end of this video, I will tell you some tips to improve your conversation skill. So without further delay, let's get started. Today, I will share my daily routine. I wake up at 5 a.m. and stay in the bed for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I get up at 5:10 a.m. Then I go to the bathroom and freshen up. After freshening up, I prepare breakfast and while breakfast is cooking, I wake my two sons to up and I also help them to get ready for their school. After dropping them off school, I take a bath and spend some time in prayer. At 9:30 a.m., I have my breakfast. After having breakfast, I cook lunch and I spend my spare time reading short moral stories. When my both kids come back from school, I have lunch with them and take a nap for a short time. Up in the evening, I cook dinner and I have my dinner with all my family members. I also help my both kids with their homeworks. Then at 9:30 p.m. I go to my bed. That's all about my daily routine. You can also practice like this. If you want to improve and enhance your conversation skill, so you can also use this technique. I hope you like. If you like, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel because every day I will share that how I practice of my spoken English. You can also use this technique and improve your conversation skill. Thank you.